Hello everybody! So, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can change Microsoft Spotlight, which is changing Windows desktop images, downloading them from the internet, to something else, like your pictures, your color, whatsoever. You can find this text version of this video on ACOnetwork.net/mspotlight-change-en. And on the bottom you see the video. In today's video I will show you how you can hide this Microsoft Spotlight desktop shortcut without changing the background images. So background images will keep changing, but shortcut will be gone. I will do this in two different ways inside Windows Registry. So in the first method, you will just download pre-prepared file, registry file, and just apply it. This file I created, so I know it is safe. But if you are not sure if you trust it or whatsoever, you can go to the second method and manually do everything. But beware, do exactly as I do in second method if you choose to do it. Because if you do one mistake, you can damage your Windows operating system. In best case, there will be no change. So beware and do exactly as I do. So to visit the text version of this video tutorial, go to ACOnetwork.net/mspotlight-shortcut-en and press enter key on the keyboard. And here is the site. So without further ado, let's just start the video, shall we? So very first thing to do is to download the registry file to hide the desktop icon, which is this one, learn about this picture, yes. To download it, it is a simple first method, first step, and Spotlight minus desktop minus icon minus hide.reg. Right mouse button click on it and left mouse button click on save link as. Here I will just select desktop with left mouse button. You can download it wherever you want on your computer. I will just leave it at the desktop and left mouse button click on save to confirm downloading. Here I will left mouse button click on keep. That is just notification that Brave browser asks me if I really want to download it, because for it may look like maybe suspicious, but it is completely safe. But also if you just left mouse button click on this registry file on the page, you can see the content of the file, which you see it is just simple one value. So now I will just minimize this window, web browser, and here it is, this registry file. You open up your folder where you downloaded the file. So now I will just open it with left mouse button, single or double click, that all depends on your operating system configuration. The security warning, just left mouse button click run. That is second warning from the Windows. If I really want to open it, yes, I want to. Left mouse button click yes. And that is only if these two windows actually pop up. In your case, it might not be. It all depends on your system configuration. And here is the pop-up window of Registry Editor. And if I really want to add changes from the file into the registry, I will click yes with left mouse button click. And here it is successfully added to the registry. Nice! Left mouse button click on OK. And now let's test it. Somewhere empty on Windows desktop, right mouse button click and left mouse button click on the refresh. And here it is, no more shortcut on the desktop. And exactly the same way to download for showing. So here it is, show. If I open it, I already did this for hide, so it is all the same. That is why I'm going quickly about it. and here it is. Desktop is shown. And here we go for the second method. Be sure that you do exactly as I do. Again, I will say, in best case scenario, you won't do anything to your system, nothing will change. But in the worst, let's say you can damage your Windows operating system or even crash it. So do exactly as I do and there will be no worries. So first I need to open up Windows Registry program. Okay, Registry editor. Left mouse button, click on the start menu. Start typing Registry, just reg is enough. And here it is, Registry editor system. Left mouse button, click on it. This is again notification from user account control if I want to open it. Yes, with left mouse button click. And here it is. This is Windows Registry. Now I will go to my website, scroll down until I get to this step 3 for the second method. Under the location, left mouse button click just before the C of computer, and while holding left mouse button, select all the text all the way to the end. Release mouse button, and on the selected text, right mouse button, and left mouse button click on copy. Now I can just remove computer here, double click or backspace, delete, however you want it. And now in this rectangle white long area, right mouse button click and left mouse button click on paste. Now to confirm that we want to go to this position, press enter key on the keyboard. And here it is, we are in this position. The other way is just to go from computer, current user software, and just use those arrows on the left side of the keys to open up new start panel. Just left mouse button click on this new start panel. And here it is, this value that we created before when we open up registry file. Because it is already here, I will show you what happens if I want to create another registry file which is the same name. It will show you the error. Let me show you what happens. So back here, we need to go to step 4, left mouse button on the beginning, select, release, and right mouse button click on the selected text, left mouse button click on copy, minimize this window. Now, make sure that you are in new start panel and on the right side, somewhere empty, right mouse button click, go over new and left mouse button click on default 32-bit value. That is the default value name that Windows Registry new value 1. Right mouse button click on the selected text and left mouse button click on paste. To confirm the name, press enter key on the keyboard. And as you see, there is an error because the name already exists. So I will just left mouse button click on OK. And the name returns to the original name. But I do not need this key. I will just delete it. It is simple. Right mouse button click on this key I want to delete. And left mouse button click on delete button. Here, yes, I definitely want to delete. That is just notification. Left mouse button click on yes. Let's delete this already created one just to show you creation again. Delete, yes, same as before. So, same as before, right mouse button click somewhere empty, over new, left mouse button click default 32-bit value. Right mouse button click on the text and left mouse button click on paste. And here it is. Enter key to confirm it. Now we need to edit it. To do this, two ways. You can either right mouse button click on the value we want to edit and left mouse button click on modify. The other way is to just double click on the value we want to edit. So under the value data, here we need to have number 1. Number 1 means the shortcut is hidden. Number 0 or deleted value means that shortcut will be shown. So we change to 1 left mouse button click on OK. Now to check if this worked, somewhere empty on Windows desktop, right mouse button click and left mouse button click on refresh. And here it is, no more shortcut. Now let's change it to 0 just to show you. OK, left mouse button click, right mouse button click desktop, left mouse button click refresh, and here it is. And that's it. So if you did not understood something, want to ask me a question or just to say hi whatsoever, go into the comment section, type your text and I will answer you. So until next time, have a blast people. Bye bye.